Hey guys, in this video we are going to find the volume of this Kashi box, this one that I'm holding right here. So Miss T knows that routine is important. That's why she eats a healthy breakfast every day. It's true, I do. For example, here's some Kashi. Let's find the volume of this Kashi box. Well, volume, I hope that you remember, is the amount of space that an object takes up or the amount of space inside of an object. So I'm going to say space inside of an object. Now we have two formulas when we are finding volume. The first one is that volume is length times width times height. I don't have the dots here. This is obviously the same as length times width times height, but I'm just writing it without the dots because you'll often see it that way. We also have that volume equals base times height, and in this case, I'm just saying that this capital B is the area of the base, because that's what it means when we have the capital B. Well, we have two formulas, but we have three values here. We actually have a length, a width, and a height. So I am going to use our volume equals length times width times height formula. So I can just go ahead here, and L is length, and that can be our longer side here, and that'll be 8 inches. Our height, well, that's how high our box is. That's 10 inches. And our width, that's this one here, 2 inches. Now, it doesn't matter if you have these all flipped around, we're just multiplying, so we're going to get the same answer regardless. You can plug all three of these numbers in, and I'm just going to plug in the integers, not the units. So I'm going to say, well, it would be 8 times 10 times 2. And I'm going to multiply that out. It doesn't matter which order you multiply it out. I'll do 8 times 10 is 80 times 2, and that will give me 160. But my answer isn't correct yet, because of course you know that we're going to say 160 what? What are your units? Because we're multiplying inches by inches by inches, we're talking about a three-dimensional object, right? Space inside. So we're actually talking about cubic inches. And the way that that's written is inches to the third power. And I'm just going to make a note that inches to the third power, that's cubic inches. Now you can also use the capital B times H formula. And if you did that, then our B would be our area of the base, and it would be this thing that I'm shading in here. So if I wanted to use B volume equals B capital H, our base here, our area of the base would actually, we'd bring down that 2 inches to this side, and our base would actually be 16 square inches if we wanted to do that. And then you can go ahead and you'd have the base is 16 square inches, and our height is still 10 inches, and if you multiplied that out, you'd get the same answer. All right, thanks for watching. After you watch this, make sure you watch our surface area of this Kashi box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.